Alright, so let's review this foundation. I'm gonna sit back a little bit because my lens is crazy. Okay, so don't mind the eyes. I did them. That'll be in the next video if you want to see that. I recorded it, so no worries. So, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be reviewing the new Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation up to 24-hour wear. Here's the box. Also, their Stay Naked correcting concealer as well. Here's the box as well. They're matching. It's at Ulta, and of course it's at Sephora, things like that, or the Urban Decay website. I really want to try this out. I've been seeing a couple YouTubers that I generally love watching review this foundation, and it has really good reviews. I like the fact that it is a, I'm pretty sure it says it's a, let's see. It says flexible, breathable, real skin matte finish, medium buildable coverage, does not transfer, minimizes the appearance of pores, stay true color, stay true color, so it doesn't oxidize, is basically what that's saying. Waterproof, which is lovely because it gets hot, it gets sweaty. It's vegan, vegan formula, does not contain animal derived ingredients or by-productions. So that's awesome. Medium buildable just means that it's medium going on and you can build it up to full coverage, or of course you can always build it down as well. You just mix it with like some SPF or something like that to kind of dilute it down a little bit. Breathable, just saying that it's a matte finish, but it's a real skin matte finish. It's not going to be like dry Sahara. That's what it's saying. It's saying it's flexible, things like that. Minimize the pores, which is awesome because I have really bad pore problems right here from acne and stuff like that. So shout out to my girl. What's up? Thank you for the braids. Can't wait to do more. And let's get into this review. I've been talking for way too fucking long. This might be too dark, might be too light, I'm not sure, but this is 51 Y or WY, which is warm yellow under. So I'm a warm master tone, that's what they have it as described, yellow undertone. Follow me, thank you. Really cute. It has a pump, which is awesome because I don't like things that don't have pump. Drives me freaking insane. So I'm probably gonna do like 3 pumps or something. Let's see how it does actually. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's just 3. It's more on the liquidy side, which makes sense because it's not, I feel like more full coverage is usually more goopy. Like more like, it doesn't move around. The box is super cute too, like on the inside it has like floral stuff in it. Like, they really went in. And then we're just gonna go on in. Okay, I think the shade is too light for me. I'm just gonna build it up. Just dab one more time. Yeah, I think this shade is too light. So for full coverage, I love using the Tarte brush right here. This thing was pricey as fudge. It's like $30, but it's huge though. So as you can see, like comparison, it's pretty big. But this is perfect for packing on the color. So I'm gonna dip twice in there, and I'm gonna do the other side just to kind of see the difference. Oh yeah, you already can see the payoff is 10 times better. And what you want to do is deposit by pouncing first. I'm gonna get in there, and then you can start. And what you can do is after, if you see like lines, streaks, and stuff like that, you go in with your beauty blender and blend that crap out. But yeah, you can see the difference. Need like a little bit more. I'm only gonna do 2 more pumps. So for my full face, if I didn't use a beauty blender, I probably would only have to use like 6 pumps, it seems like. So I'm just gonna wipe this off a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna do it on this side so that it matches, and then go in beauty blender, or the knockoff of a beauty blender, whatever. Also, a lot of stuff can contribute to how you wash your face before, how you moisturize and everything like that. So a product might actually be good, but the routine that you're doing is not like helping your skin. You know, you want to take off all the debris off your face. Do not put foundation over a dirty face. You're literally asking to get acne. If your stuff is already clogged with dirt and sunscreen from being outside and everything like that, and then you decide, oh, I'm just gonna put some powder on it, like you're literally asking for more stuff to get clogged in there and to get more acne. So wash your face, even if you just use a little toner. I just got this Citric Run, and I just wipe my face with that, put moisturizer on, and then I'm set to go, and I do a little spritz on my face. But yeah, don't go in with a dirty face. You are literally asking to get acne. And it takes 2 seconds to just wash your whole face with something real quick that's like eye safe and everything. What I'm gonna do is the concealer now. Let's get it. I'm gonna pop it out of here. This again is, but this one's different though. I got 50Y or WY, I don't know why I keep doing that. Ooh, it's cute. Yeah, see how it's like bent like that? So this color is like a little bit, God, I hope it's lighter. Yeah, it's lighter. But this is gonna be really, really light under my eyes. So, all right, try that again. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. I did not put any corrector on. It's gliding really nicely. Like, this is kind of like, it's really nice. And it's just gliding. Like, I don't feel like a tug, or I don't know, it just feels like, I'm gonna put on a lot because why the hell not? I'm gonna use this clean side, and we're gonna go in. I like to switch back and forth. I think the only thing I can complain about is my nose looks like it's not on my nose. Like I just need like a tad more in the areas that are like extremely dark, which is closer to my eye right here. Just a little bit more. Fucking under eyes, and if you have that problem, make sure you set in your under eyes. My eyes still will be creasy, but at least it won't crease quickly, because I noticed that when I stopped setting my under eyes, it was creasing 10 times faster and looking like a wreck. I'm gonna use the Fenty. There's a little mini version, which I love because, you know, this thing is expensive. But I need to put a bunch of powder under my eye so that I can go back and finish my eye look without no fear of getting black or green all up on my eyes. This face. So as everything has been settling, my nose still looks weird. But like I said, I don't know if that contributes to, I don't know, I have no idea. We will never know. I'm just kidding. Use my NARS. I just got this at TJ Maxx, so I wanted to try it out. This color is in Fala Cis. Is it? You know what? I'm not even gonna try it. It looks like this. So let's see if this is even good. Ooh, it's like barely coming up. I think I'm gonna have to scratch the surface. Yeah, I'm gonna have to scratch the surface because it's not even, that's interesting. Oh. It's coming off really orange in the camera though. I promise you, it totally looks like that in person. Oh my god. I mean, I did need to bronze up my face, so don't get me wrong, but... And you can just kind of like go over it just to kind of diffuse it a little bit. If you ever feel like you went a little too ham, see how it looks a little bit less. It's always good to go back in with like a beauty blender, just to kind of mesh everything back in of every color that I need for any person that asks for makeup to be done. I got them. I think I'm gonna dip into this gold shade. I don't know why I have the hardest time getting this gold shade to like get on my brush. It's the only color out of all of them that is a pain in my fucking ass. But I thought a pretty gold bronzy highlight would be pretty. Like I said, it's just a little too light for my skin, so I just need like a darker color. And yeah, it's just like my nose area. But like I said, could be the primer. It feels like I have stuff on my face, but like I said, the gripping primer is kind of heavy, so you kind of feel that way. So I'm not entirely sure if it's a foundation or not, but it's supposed to be lightweight. So, but the concealer feels good. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing concealer under my eyes. It's just the foundation. I just feel like I have a lot of stuff on my eyes, but also I'm wearing a lot of eye makeup, whatever. Anyways, so I think this is a pretty good foundation. I think I need to try it a couple more times before I go, you need to buy this. Concealer I like so far though. Like I have good high hopes because I haven't found a concealer that I've been in love with recently. I just kind of like given up a little bit, but if I love this concealer, I'm gonna be stoked because I really like the applicator. But like I said, just glided on my eyes. It was perfect. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys want me to do more reviews on new products that come in, things like that. You always can give me suggestions down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, comment down below. It really helps me out with the whole everything with YouTube. You know, the more likes, the more comments, the more views on a thing, on your video, the more it gets pushed. So I don't think a lot of people like understand that, but yeah, the more views I get and the more likes and things like that and communication between people, it just, you know, brings like my channel and shows it to other people. So yeah, that would be lovely. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.